Welcome to Boracay. Let's jump. Now, what's your pressure? That's for sure. Okay, let's go to the beach. Let's jump in. Oh, that was nice. Welcome to the beach here in Boracay. Time to do some island hopping. It was raining in the morning, but now we're waiting to jump on the pier. Hope the weather clears up. Maybe I can even fly the drone. Let's see. Let's get on the boat. Just sat down here, relaxing a little bit while exploring the ocean. You see Boracay on the other side here. Going to the first stop, just enjoying a bit of water here. Very nice indeed. So now we got to the Puka Beach here, and as you can see, pretty crazy color. And of course you have this insanely blue or turquoise water. Okay, let's dive in. Definitely very refreshing. Now let's gonna jump on the boat and continue exploring. Okay, so after a lot of driving, riding, very beautiful, relaxing, see all this nature, we are here. It's time to jump in. So let's put on the goggles here. Okay, ready for action. Let's jump in. See if we can see some fish. Definitely a lot of pretty fish. It's raining now all of a sudden. So let's go back to the boat up here and continue exploring and have some food. We got off the boat and we have some pretty fancy apartments here in the background. Pool. That's not where we are staying, but who knows, maybe another time. Gonna walk here and have some nice lunch here. It's raining, but tropical weather, no problem. Interesting entrance. We have a bit of a romantic situation going on with a heart here, but it's going. So someone else in the background is having this crazy boodle fight. It says Boracay and have a platter of a lot of different foods, really nice. But we have something else. I think it's like crab and fish and some pork and some vegetables. No problem. And tonight we can have some more crazy stuff. Just found out there's unlimited pork and also fish and melon, so I don't think we're gonna starve, but now let's eat. So after a lot of eating, we arrived at which destination? The Magic Island. Apparently when it's low tide, this beach actually looks magic, but now it's high tide, so we're gonna go explore here, see what they have. Nice little umbrella hat here in the background. Very nice view here up on the Magic Island. I think we're 10 meters up here. Now a lot of different levels here, but let's jump in. See if we can get some refreshing jump.
Right there.
Now, what's your pressure? That's control. So there's apparently a bit of a cove here in the middle of the island. Let's go down and see if there's anything interesting here. Exploring the cave. Interesting piece of water here in the cove. Let's go back. So after a lot of adventurous jumping and swimming, we're gonna chill a little bit here, explore on the island, then let's go back, enjoy some relaxing views. I think sitting on a boat and just listening to the noise of the engine and looking at nature is one of the most beautiful things and peaceful things you could do. No phone, nothing to distract you, just looking in the nature. So we're gonna leave you here and I'll see you a bit later when we're back. So we're passing by on the way back here, the jet ski and activity area. That looks pretty interesting. I think we're gonna try that, so let's go to there. Okay, so we're on the speedboat now, jumping over to the jet ski in the background. Okay, let's go driving. Back on the boat. That was definitely pretty exciting, but now it's time to go and rest a bit before I have dinner. Highly recommend to try the jet ski if you're here, that's for sure. So we're exploring a little bit here now, the nightlife, some live music in the background. I found this cool place called Nigi. A lot of seafood in the background. We have lobster, some huge fish, and some shrimp, and also some scallops and oysters. So it's gonna be a huge feast. We never tried the lobster before, so that's gonna be really nice. So I'm gonna sit down now and relax a little bit. See you a bit later. Yeah, you can clearly hear that it's Saturday night here. A lot of music everywhere. But that was pretty spectacular dinner, massive with a lobster and a lot of different shellfish cooked in a very interesting way, and some shrimps. Pretty crazy. Probably the best dinner I've had so far. I'm gonna leave you guys here. Probably gonna do check out the bar here. Hopefully it's gonna be nice. Got the recommendation. Then way down, but it's been a pretty crazy, eventful day and also evening. But I'm gonna leave you here. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video in Manila.